How cryptocurrencies are created. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that use cryptography to ensure secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Bitcoin, created in 2009, was the first cryptocurrency and remains the best known and most used. However, there are now thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies with various functions and specifications. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, which involves using computers to solve complex algorithms. This process is called proof of work and is central to the creation of new cryptocurrency units. When a computer solves one of these algorithms, it creates a new block on the blockchain, a kind of public and immutable ledger that records all transactions of a cryptocurrency. Each block contains a record of recent transactions, as well as a link to the previous block in the chain. This makes it nearly impossible to alter or falsify past transactions. The computer that solves the algorithm and creates the new block is rewarded with a certain amount of cryptocurrency. This is the incentive for miners to continue to solve the algorithms and keep the cryptocurrency network running. However, mining cryptocurrencies is not an easy process. It requires a significant amount of electrical energy and computing power. Also, the difficulty of the algorithms increases with time, which means more computing power is needed to solve the algorithms and get the reward. This has raised concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency mining. Some cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, have a maximum number of units that can be created. In the case of Bitcoin, that number is 21 million. Once that number is reached, there will be no more mining rewards and miners will be incentivized to continue maintaining the network through transaction fees. Other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, do not have a maximum number of units, but have a slightly different mining process. Ethereum utilizes a process called proof of stake, which involves validating transactions based on the amount of cryptocurrency a miner has, rather than the amount of computing power it can provide. In addition to mining, cryptocurrencies can also be created through a process called initial coin offering, ICO. An ICO is a way to raise funds for a new cryptocurrency project by selling an initial amount of coins to investors. However, ICOs have come under fire and regulation due to concerns about fraud and market manipulation. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the way we transact and store value. However, they also present significant challenges, from technical and environmental issues to regulatory and safety concerns. It is important for anyone interested in investing in or using cryptocurrencies to fully understand how they work and the risks involved.